Hai semuanya, senang berjumpa kalian lagi di Riwu TV Edukasi. Kali ini kita akan membahas sama seperti sebelumnya ungkapan sehari-hari bahasa Indonesia dan Inggris, dan saya harap kalian bisa menikmatinya dengan fokus dan rileks.
Hi everyone, nice to meet you again at Riwu TV Education. This time we will discuss the same as before, everyday expressions in Indonesian and English, and I hope you can enjoy it with focus and relaxation.
Bagaimana kabarmu hari ini?
How are you today? How are you today?
Apakah kamu bisa melihat saya dari sana?
Can you see me from there? Can you see me from there?
Dari mana saja kamu?
Where have you been? Where have you been?
Apakah kamu memiliki janji dengannya?
Do you have an appointment with him? Do you have an appointment with him?
Padahal kamu hampir telat.
Even though you're almost late. Even though you're almost late.
Kamu harus sabar di posisi ini.
You have to be patient in this position. You have to be patient in this position.
Hari ini bakal hujan deras.
Today it will rain heavily. Today it will rain heavily.
Bolehkah aku melihat fotomu?
Can I see your picture? Can I see your picture?
Kalau bisa kamu secepatnya ke sini.
If you can, come here as soon as possible. If you can, come here as soon as possible.
Baiklah, kamu yang akan simpan itu.
Okay, you'll keep it. Okay, you'll keep it.
Mau sampai kapan kamu begitu?
How long are you going to be like that? How long are you going to be like that?
Biasanya mereka ke sini setiap hari Kamis.
Usually they come here every Thursday. Usually they come here every Thursday.
Bagaimana bisa itu terjadi padamu?
How could that happen to you? How could that happen to you?
Sejujurnya mereka tidak melakukannya.
Honestly, they don't do it. Honestly, they don't do it.
Sebenarnya saya harus ke sana sekarang.
Actually, I have to go there now. Actually, I have to go there now.
Bisakah kamu memberi perintah anjingmu?
Can you give your dog commands? Can you give your dog commands?
Tolong jelaskan padaku apa yang dia katakan.
Please explain to me what he said. Please explain to me what he said.
Hitung semua juga.
Count them all too. Count them all too.
Saya harus pergi ke perjalanan bisnis.
I have to go on a business trip. I have to go on a business trip.
Keputusan saya belum pasti.
My decision is not yet certain. My decision is not yet certain.
Aku tidak ingin dia kesepian.
I don't want him to be lonely. I don't want him to be lonely.
Apa nama ibu kota negara itu?
What is the name of the country's capital? What is the name of the country's capital?
Sepertinya agak sulit untuk memahaminya.
It seems a bit difficult to understand. It seems a bit difficult to understand.
Kenapa kamu hanya membiarkannya?
Why do you just let it be? Why do you just let it be?
Aku tidak akan mengganggumu lagi.
I will not bother you anymore. I will not bother you anymore.
Kapan acaranya dimulai?
When does the event start? When does the event start?
Berapa rata-rata penghasilanmu per bulan?
What is your average monthly income? What is your average monthly income?
Kamu selalu salah memberikan informasi.
You always give wrong information. You always give wrong information.
Kamu harus teliti lagi untuk kedepannya.
You have to be more careful in the future. You have to be more careful in the future.
Aku sangat menyesal mengatakannya.
I'm very sorry to say that. I'm very sorry to say that.
Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy the video and see you again in the next video.
Terima kasih sudah menonton. Saya harap kalian menikmati videonya dan sampai jumpa lagi di video selanjutnya.